Hey, it's Williamson of LeadingLandlord.com. I got a special one for you today. It's about mid-stay gifts, and it's going to really take your extended stay rentals to the next level. Let me show you what I mean. I got my inspiration from this new book by Melinda Palmer. It's called What Your Customer Wants But Can't Tell You, and it's all about behavioral economics, which is the psychology of why people buy. And I've just been geeking out at it. I love it. So I took one principle from it. It's about this experiment where the waiter and waitresses left a mint with the bill versus them not leaving anything with the bill. And what they found is that when they left that mint, they ended up with a tip that was 3% more than if they left nothing at all. So that was an interesting thing. So they figured, hey, if one mint is good, why not two mints? So that's what they did. They tested out with two mints, and they found an increase of 14% larger tip versus not leaving anything at all. So this is huge, that this little tiny half a cent gift of generosity would lead to someone giving a bigger tip. So that's the first point. Then the next thing I want you to see is about customer satisfaction. And this graph shows it that people are dissatisfied, they're not loyal, and then they're satisfied, and that could be like, things are okay, versus, hey, I'm happy, this is nice, but their loyalty stays the same. Only when they go to delight, only when you get a delighted customer, then you get this more loyalty, more repeat customer, them raving about you, and that's what you're looking for. Now, how do we get to that? Well, let's focus on just the happy, satisfied category, but how do we get people from satisfied over to delighted? And what it takes is an unexpected benefit. That's what does it, or a gift. That's going to cause you to go over, and then once you move over to delighted, then customer loyalty skyrockets. That's what you move the needle. That's repeat business. That's with them talking about you on social media. That's with them leaving great reviews for you. So that's what we're trying to do. Get over into the delighted category. It's just a small shift. So here's what we know. Let's put this together. First, the law of reciprocity. When people give you something like a mint, that gives you the urge to give back to them. If they're generous, then you have this big urge to match them somehow being generous. And combine that with the second principle, which is the shift between satisfied customer and delighted customer is very small, is triggered by an unexpected gift. So we put that together for this latest piece of landlord science, and that's what I do. I study how landlords can increase their income and reduce their expenses, and this is the new principle I'm putting together, actually putting to the test. I'm going to reveal it to you right now. Here it is. It is this. It is a very strategic, but yet small, mid-stay gift. And I'm recommending a $5 gift card will do it in the middle of the stay, or a gift card to the local coffee shop is even better. See, people are expecting the gift upon arrival. These move-in gifts, these bottles of wine, chocolates, when they arrive, yeah, they're expecting that now. And they're expecting some type of gift, possibly before they get a review at the end of their stay. But what's going to catch them off guard is a gift unexpected somewhere in the middle of their stay. That's going to do it. That's going to give them a high point of reference. And that generosity is going to want them to reciprocate, and moves you towards more delighted customer. And that means repeat business. That means that they're going to be a brand ambassador for you. So that's what it is. And I want you to deliver this by either text message or email. So that's why it needs to be an e-card, email card. And I like email the best because these reasons. This one is going to encourage you to grow your customer list. And that's what you want. You want to be capturing the emails of people who have stayed with you, because that makes a big difference. You're going to be able to get your word out, and you'll be able to promote yourself and stay top of mind. Also, it's going to allow you to automate things. If you have your customers' emails, then your CRM, your client relation management software, can do this for you if you have that. And if you don't, you can always get a virtual assistant, and they can do it for you electronically from anywhere in the world. So I recommend that you implement this very small expenditure in something that will delight your customer and build your loyalty with them. And I recommend you do that. Okay, so I'm going to give you more stories about how this works out for me, because I'm going to definitely put this little piece of landlord science to use. And if you're looking for more ways to increase your income and reduce your expenses, then here's what you do. subscribe.